Hi, my dear Tare Jaminpur and Brilliant Diamonds. In this video, we are going to discuss the first problem of exercise 13.3, and they are asking us to calculate median, mean and mode for this data. So let us have a look at the formulas related to mean, median and mode. Since we already discussed detailedly about mean and mode in our previous video, let us discuss about median formula in this video. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. Here L stands for lower boundary of median class, H height of the class, Cf cumulative frequency of preceding median class and F stands for frequency of median class. चलिए अब हम शुरू करेंगे calculation of mode for this given data. Here we have arranged that given data as shown here on the screen, and you already know that how to calculate mode because in our previous videos, especially exercise 13.2, we have discussed so many problems. So this is the model class, and these are the values which we are going to substitute in the formula to calculate mode. So let us do the same thing. Let us substitute these values in the formula and simplify those values. So mode is equal to L. Here 125 we have value of L, and F1 is 20, F0 13 by 2 into F1. 2 into 20 will give us 40 minus F0 is 13, F2 is 14, close the bracket, into height of the class 20. Now 125 plus 20 minus 7 is equals to 7. 40. Here 13 and 14, two negative numbers are there. When you add, you will get minus 27 into 20. Next 125 plus 7 into 20 will give us 140. 40 minus 27 will give us 13. Now 125 plus 140 by 13 is here. So when you divide 140 with 13, you will get 10.769, and you will keep getting other decimals also, but we are stopping at 3 decimals only. Now when you add 125 with 10.769, you will get 135.769, and you can write approximately 135.77. Okay, so therefore mode is equal to, means mode is nothing but maximum monthly consumption on electricity is equal to 135.77 rupees for this given data. Let us now calculate median for this given data, and this is the median formula. See here, for this video and in this exercise, median is very special, important, because in previous videos we did not calculate median. So please focus a lot how to calculate median. See, to calculate median, we have to first of all calculate cumulative frequencies. So how to calculate cumulative frequencies? See here, 4 we need to write for it first here, then 4 plus 5 here, then 4 plus 5 plus 13. Like that we keep adding all these values so that we can get cumulative frequencies. See here, first of all we have written here 4. 4 plus 5 will give us 9. 9 plus 13, 22. 22 plus 20, 42. Again 42 with this 14, 56. Again 56 with this 8, 64. 64 plus 4, 68. So this is how we need to calculate cumulative frequency for this given data. So this is the first step. Calculation of cumulative frequencies is the first step to calculate median. Next is we need to identify median class. So how to identify? See here. First of all, see here all the values, cumulative frequencies, and this last value we will take it as a n, means number of observations, 68, and using this we will calculate n by 2 value. N by 2 is nothing but 68 by 2, that is equals to 34. So this is how we will calculate n by 2. Okay, now this n by 2 is going to play very critical role in calculation of median. How and why? See here, This n by 2 means 34 will help us to identify median class. So see here, you need to identify the CF value which is just greater than 34. So 22 is not greater than 34, but 42 is greater than, just greater than 34. So here we have written the class whose CF is greater than and closer to n by 2. So this 42 CF value 42 is just above the 34 and closer to 34. So we need to select this class interval as a median class. Once you can successfully select a median class, then your 90% of median calculation is successful. So after selection of median class, you need to identify the values related to formula. See here, L stands for lower boundary of median class, that is 125, and height of the class. The difference between 125 and 145 is 20. So that is what we have written here. Next, CF cumulative frequency of preceding median class. ये median class जो है ना, इससे पहले वाला class का cumulative frequency we have to take. So 22 is cumulative frequency of preceding median class. Then F we need to take frequency of median class, that is 20. So this identifying these values is very much important to calculate median. Right, let us substitute those values in the formula and simplify to calculate median. So median is equal to L. We have 125 value plus n by 2 we have 34 minus cumulative frequency of preceding median class is 22 and frequency of median class is 20 we have, and into height, that is 20. Okay, now you can easily cancel 20 here in the denominator and numerator. Then we are left with 34 minus 22 here. Then 125 plus 34 minus 22 will give us 12. So when you add, you will get 137. So therefore, median for this given data means middlemost value of monthly consumption on electricity is equal to 137 rupees. Right, let us now calculate mean for this given data. Till now we have calculated median and mode. And you know already how to calculate mean, which we have already discussed in our previous videos, especially in exercise 13.1. First and foremost thing is we need to find out class marks using class intervals. Then we have to select one of these class mark as our adjourned mean. We are now calculating mean using step deviation method. So to calculate mean using step deviation method, we need to first identify one of the xi values class marks as our adjourned mean. Then we need to subtract this 135 from all these values. So you will get minus 60, minus 40 and all these values. And these values we will call as deviations or di. Since these values are also big, what we will do, we will divide all these values with height of the class interval. How much? 20. So when you divide these values, di values, with 20, you will get ui values. And using this ui and fi, when you multiply, you will get last column. And now you have to add all these values. So you will get sigma fi ui. And when you add all these frequencies, you will get sigma fi 68, and these three values a, sigma fi ui and sigma fi, these values are going to help to calculate mean using step deviation method. Right, let us now substitute the values here in this formula. Right, let us now substitute these values in the formula. A we have 135 plus sigma fi you have 7 by sigma fi you have 68 into 20 because height of the class. So that is equals to 135 plus 2 10 ja 2 34 ja. So then you will be having 7 into 10 70 by 34. That is equal to 135 plus, again you can simplify it, 2 35 times 2 17 times. So 35 by 17 we can write. Then 135 plus, when you divide 35 with 17, you will get 2.058. We are taking up to 3 decimals only. So when you add 135 with 2.058, you will get 137.058. So approximately you can take 137.05 as our mean for the given data. Therefore, mean is nothing but average monthly consumption on electricity is equal to 137.05 for the given data. Finally, we reached the last stage of this problem. They are asking us to compare and interpret the given values. So, after calculation, we got mode 135.77, median 137, mean 137.05. So, after observation, we can say that mean, mode, and median are approximately equal or same. This is what we can conclude after comparison. Hope you understand this problem clearly. If yes, thanks for watching and staying with us. Have a nice day.